The seasons are changing, and that means it's time to fill those closets with some new styles and to fit those feet that grew. Now, when it comes to kids' shoes, parents know two things. Your kids are always growing and their tastes are always changing. So we need great shoes at a great price, and I always find those at Payless ShoeSource. Ready to go shopping, kids? Go! So I brought along my son Brenner, he's 7, and my nephew Max, who is 3 years old. Now Max loves Paw Patrol and Brenner loves Avengers, and I know they're gonna be able to find something here.
Cool, Avengers and Claymore, my favorite.
Max, let me see those shoes. Do they light up? Let me see. Stomp your foot. Stomp your foot. Wow, so that's for safety as well.
Kids love character shoes, and Payless is the source for them, featuring styles that are unique to the brand. Everything from Disney princess shoes like Frozen to Marvel shoes like Black Panther and Spider-Man. Plus, Payless follows all the new movie releases, so there's always something kids will love. So I really do walk the walk here. I shop at Payless Shoes all the time. Since my son was a baby and he started walking, we've been coming here because I love the quality and I love the price, and he loves all of those character shoes. So just sit and just try these 2 pairs on.
There's so many options and they have all my favorite colors.
Payless truly has kids covered, all the way from first walkers to school-age children, and even us kids at heart. And who better to get the style scoop from than Wendy Wolther, who is Payless's fashion director and shoe designer.
When we design shoes, first thing we think about mom and what mom wants. So we know it's important that shoes be easy on, easy off, have a wiggle room for growing feet and toes, and most importantly, durable design for all your kids' busy lifestyles.
Yeah, durable is very important when you're a
Yes,
mom, because you want the shoes to last.
You need them to last.
Yeah.
We know that.
And for those budding little fashionistas, Payless has tons of accessories to choose from and brands girls love, like JoJo Siwa. Are you guys obsessed with JoJo?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, tell me which shoes do you like the best here?
I like this one.
You like that one, okay. What about you? You like the pink? Oh, whoa, look at you.
No,
What do you have?
Another fashionista.
Gosh, you are a fashionista.
I love the pretty sparkle in them, like the JoJo shoes.
Wow. Oh, look what she brought them for me in my size. That's perfect. We could be matching. I love that.
I like them because they're fancy. I like that you can find so many shoes to pick out, and then there's so many options. I love to wear cat ears. I love the sunglasses as well.
And you don't have to play the guessing game at Payless. A sales associate will measure your kids' feet for you, and they feature extended and half sizes. Ooh, look at you. You are a size 6.
I work with a lot of moms as we design shoes, so every day we think, oh, I know what it is to get a shoe on and off. I know what it's like not to have a shoe with laces. I know what it's like to have comfortable shoes. And most importantly, I know what it's like for a shoe not to work out well, and it's important to us that we have durable design, and we know what your kids are doing every day, and we know they're hard on shoes, and we want them to be happy with the shoe they buy from us.
What I love about coming to Payless is that the kids' shoes and the adult shoes are all together in one store. So he gets to look for things that he loves, and I get to look for shoes that I love.
This season, it's all about the boot. So you really have to get yourself one hot new boot style.
Slouch boots, kitten heels, and sock boots are all the rage this season. And with brands like Christian Siriano, you don't have to sacrifice designer style or dollars. Budget is very important to me because right now I'm a single mom, Max's mom is a single mom, but we love shoes.
I didn't know it was so high-end and so diverse. They had heels that I can wear from like day to night. Okay, they had sneakers to work out in or just to, drop Max at school. They had wedges, which I like because I like to be taller, it's no secret. Handbags, okay, from really like briefcase ones that are professional and little ones for dinner. They also had sunglasses, earrings, headbands. It was like everything in one.
And with trendy shoes at such fantastic prices, that means you'll be able to fill up your closets back home with more than one pair. This is, after all, designing spaces. For all the styles you love, go to Payless.com, and for information on today's segment, visit designingspaces.tv. All right, you guys excited? Yeah! Okay, you gonna show off your new shoes to all your friends?
Yeah!
All right, let's go home. Come on, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We gotta find the rest of the room.